Stand by. Like 343. There you go. Put it down. Step over here. 131. Step up.
Yeah. There's 10. Huh? 10. Yeah, we missing a... Yeah, they just came by and asked me for 10 to keep score. There's a brass one here. What?
Same thing. Take your time and aim.
Real shiny. Use it. That's that what you want?
Now one on the end. There you go. Holster.
Well, I don't really work.
Okay, pick up the shotgun.
I don't have anything set up to be right.
Lean in. Very good. Now open it. Step over here, in between the tables. Okay?
You shooting the rifle?
Close it. Lean into it.
Working better today. I think a lot of it was my bullets. I had a few truncated cones left, and they feel a little better. Unfortunately, I don't have a truncated cone.
It hit it 9628.
I have to see if I can find it.
9628. Spotters are calling him.